find those counts true, and cause number 2240529, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of robbery, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. Good morning. Are you Keisha Lewis? You will receive credit on.
Judge, may I just ask the court two things before we proceed?
Yeah.
Can I make an oral motion to amend counts 1 through 4 and each motion to reflect committed the offense rather than arrested? We have discussed that upstairs, and everything that's been filed subsequently is correct.
Okay.
So I think
If y'all catch them ahead of time, it's much easier for y'all to do it than me to try to do it on this computer. But yes, any objection to that in each of the cases are the same?
No objection.
All right, let me get these printed out. It'll be easier. Sorry, it's taking me just a minute.
And Judge, also it is my intention, if the court follows this agreement, to have her plea to all 4 of those misdemeanors down the hall so that we can use them in the future for any enhancement purposes, and also to let you know I've spoken with her probation officer, Mr. Alex Hill, and he informs me that her case in Galveston County, that interfering with an emergency service animal, she did plead guilty to that, and they sentenced her to 1 year.
Okay. Thank you. 2 motions. Okay. Let me make these amendments first. And thank you for talking to them and getting these changed. All right, let me. Today's the 3rd.
Some of it may have been just a misunderstanding for privacy.
Okay. Now, will your client waive the formal reading of the motion in each case?
She will, Your Honor.
Ms. Lewis, in cause number 2240529, I have a motion to revoke.
When
your
the prosecutor
unadjudicated.
talks about using these misdemeanors for enhancement, that's not legal fluff. That's the system saying, we're keeping score. Anything she does from here on out gets worse, faster, and harder to
I
escape.
have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. Shows that you were placed on probation January 25th of 2023 for the 2nd-degree felony offense of robbery, and that was a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? I'm sorry?
It was a 6-year probation.
Hold on, I'll go back and double check.
It's actually 7, Your Honor.
Administrative hearing shows 7.
The deferred adjudication order dated January 25th of 2023 also shows 7 years. All right, so you were placed on probation January 25th of 2023 for robbery, correct? Okay, and in cause number 22-40528, looks like there is a first amended motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation in that case. Shows you were placed on probation January 25th of 2023 for assault on a peace officer, a 2nd-degree felony, and that was also a 7-year deferred probation. Is that correct? Should I have a first amendment in each of these? Did I? Hold on a second. 5, 10, 9. Yeah, hold on. Let me, I printed out the wrong thing. Sorry.
But all the amendment added was that case in Galveston.
Okay. I just want to make sure. It just lines up the numbers better if I have them both, the right ones. I need that motion there just printed, please.
Now here's where things turn. This isn't one mistake. It's not confusion. It's a pattern, and the cart is about to walk through it piece by piece.
Each of these cases, looks like the state is going to proceed on counts 1 through 6 in each of these cases. Count 1 in each of your cases, or in each of the motions, alleges that you committed the new offense of evading arrest or detention March 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County, Texas. And is that true or not true? I'm sorry?
True.
And then count 2 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of resisting arrest, search, or transport March 12th of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 3 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of theft of property March 12th of 2025 in Jefferson County. And is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 4 in each case alleges that you committed the offense of failure to identify or giving false or fictitious information. And is that true or not true? That's also on March 12th of 2025. And that's true as well?
Did you notice how fast that went? Evading, resisting, theft, failure to identify, no hesitation, no denial, just true after true. That speed tells you something. This outcome was already sealed before she ever stood there.
That's true as well?
Yes, ma'am.
Count 5 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of performing the community service hours as required. Is that true or not true?
True.
And then count 6 in each case alleges that you failed to provide verification of entering and successfully completing the anger management program. And is that true or not true? Did you enter your pleas of true?
Probation isn't just about staying out of trouble. It's about effort, community service, anger management, proof that you're trying to change. And when none of that is there, the court stops believing in
Did you
potential.
enter your pleas of true to counts 1 through 6 freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
And did you plead true to all of those counts because they're actually true?
Right.
I have here on the tablet in each of your case some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. Rojas?
Yes.
And do you fully understand them?
Yes.
And do you understand, if I follow the agreements that you've made with the district attorney, that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes.
State tenders number 1 in each case?
No objection.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Ms. Lewis is not competent?
No, Your Honor.
All right, ma'am, in each of your cases, I'm going to find that you entered your pleas of true to counts 1 through 5 freely and voluntarily. Find
This
those
is the
counts
moment
true.
defendants usually hope for mercy. A pause, a reconsideration, something. But mercy only exists when the court still trusts you.
Find those counts true, and cause number 2240529, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. And then in cause number 2240528, also find counts 1 through 6 true, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of assault on a peace officer. Sentence you in accordance with that agreement to a term of 4 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will also receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm going to hand you the trial
4
court
years for
certificate.
robbery. 4 years for assault on a peace officer. Running together. But make no mistake, that's still prison. Deferred probation was a lifeline. She had it, and now it's
to
gone.
hand you the trial court certification in each of your cases that shows that these were agreements that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I'm also handing you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Rojas. Good luck to you, ma'am. You can go back with the bailiff.
What's chilling isn't the sentence. It's how calm this all was. No shouting. No drama. Just consequences arriving right on time. This is what it looks like when the justice system decides it's done negotiating.